Since I got this going right down the middle, I might as well just concentrate on going straight down. So I'm putting more pressure over here, so the right side of the blade is cutting, so I'm concentrating on cutting from right here going this direction. Now see right here, if I want to keep going the same direction, I got to move this over and start a line here. If I started the line with this side of the blade, now I can go from here in that direction again. Okay, now I'm going to flip this over. Now I've got a sharp blade again. Now I can go from here over that way in 1/2 inch or 1 inch increments. This is going to make you feel like you're just a little weakling, because you're like, how come it cuts in some areas and some other areas it doesn't? It just depends how hard it is on the floor, especially with this black mastic. See, now I can try going this direction. Flip it around and go the other. And there to the left. Now I got my blade down at a lower angle. That seems to work. Other times you might have to go up, depending on if your blade starts getting dull, or if your blade gets bent or bowed a little bit, or if the floor has a dip in it, or a high edge into it. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over and go from here to the right. Got a little bit extra here. I'm going to flip it this way and go some more. From there to the left. Now, I'm going to try the right side just a little bit. I can't put as much pressure on it, so I'm going to lower this down. This handle, put my foot on here like that, and I untwist this. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. See, now it's loose. I can put this wherever I want. I'm going to try about there. Now I'm going to turn it to the right, tighten it up. There's a little ball in there. It's an oblong thing. It's kind of cool. You loosen it up, and you can pull this way out or whatever. I'm going to try it about there, tighten it back up to the right. Like that. I just put my foot on there just to hold it, see, to tighten it up. Okay. Now I'm going to use the right side of the blade just a little bit. And I can really, what I'm trying to do is lift this off the ground, the short end off the ground as I'm scraping, just because I'm trying to put more pressure up here. Okay? So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try that right here, going that direction. Let's see if you can get that. Okay, see, I've got the right side here. This blade is still brand new. Hasn't been used from here this direction, okay? Remember, we've already used this side, we've already used this side. I've got this lower, and I'm going to try right here, see what happens. little bit harder to do that. Like I say, now I'm gonna flip it over and maybe I can get better, so I'm gonna go from here that direction. And if you had more glue on the floor, higher edge glue, like glue down carpet or something like that, then you could really get a good bite and maybe take 6 or 7 inches off at the same go. I'm going to scratch it, right? That's to my right. That's not seeming to work too well. You know, I'm just going to raise it back up and try a little bit more here before I flip the blade around. I'm just about ready to flip this blade, but before I do that, you can take it now. I'm going to go along the edge. There might be some little nails along here from the carpet tack strip that I removed. And if I hit one, it could snap off or put a ding in my blade. The last thing I want to do is use a brand new blade right up against the wall. I'm going to flip it the other way and go up against the wall. See, it's not working much anymore. I got quite a bit with that one little bit. That's half my blade. Okay. So yeah, now down I go again. Going to show you one more time. I'm just showing you a repetition here. That's all you're going to be doing, back and forth, getting your floor scraped however you need to get it scraped. Okay, I'm going to pull that straight out, flip it over, and put it back in. Tighten her up. Don't cheat yourself and replace your blade with a brand new one at this point, because we know this much of the blade from here over hasn't really been used that much at all, has it? Almost like using 2 blades in one for the way that I've been scraping on this floor. Okay, so now I can go on this right here and go some more. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.